Looking for powerful bass but short on space? Today, we're diving into the best shallow mount subwoofers that deliver serious low-end punch while fitting into the tightest car audio setups. First on the list is the DS18 Shallow Mount Subwoofer. Known for its water-resistant design and high build quality, this subwoofer is ideal for cars, trucks, or even marine setups. It features dual 4-ohm voice coils, 500 watts RMS power handling, and up to 1,000 watts peak power. Despite its compact form factor, the PSW 10.4D delivers a solid punch, offering impressive depth and clarity. Its shallow profile allows for installation under seats or in slim custom boxes, making it a great choice for vehicles with very limited space. DS18 has built a reputation for rugged, performance-driven audio gear, and this sub is no exception. Next up is the Skar Audio VD10D2, another 10-inch shallow subwoofer that's been well received by audio enthusiasts. This model features a dual 2-ohm voice coil setup and delivers up to 800 watts of peak power. What makes the VD10D2 stand out is its build quality. It includes a competition-grade pressed paper cone and a high-roll foam surround that helps it achieve surprisingly deep bass, considering its compact size. Users often mention its clear output, low distortion, and ability to handle daily use without overheating. Whether you're upgrading a factory system or designing a stealth build, the Skar VD series consistently performs above its price point. Our third pick is the Pioneer Shallow Mount Subwoofer. With a peak power rating of 1,200 watts and high efficiency, this sub is designed to deliver deep bass without draining your amp or battery. It features a unique design that includes a reinforced cone structure and a shallow mounting depth ideal for tight enclosures. One thing Pioneer always gets right is balance. The TS-10 LS2 that produces tight, accurate bass that's more musical than overwhelming. It's a great choice if you enjoy bass-heavy tracks but still want vocal clarity and mid-range punch in your setup. This model is often praised for its ability to integrate seamlessly into OEM systems or stealth installations. At number 4, we have the massive Audio Shallow Mount Subwoofer, though it's also available in 10-inch and 8-inch variants. With only a 3.11-inch mounting depth, it's one of the shallowest 12-inch subwoofers on the market. Despite its slim profile, it can handle up to 600 watts of peak power. The UFO 12 uses dual 4-ohm voice coils and is built to deliver clean, articulate bass across a wide range of frequencies. It's especially ideal for larger vehicles like SUVs, where you want that extra boom without sacrificing cargo space. Users often report being shocked by how much sound this sub produces given its dimensions. Rounding out our list is the Kicker CompRT Shallow Mount Subwoofer. Kicker's CompRT line is legendary for delivering full-size performance in compact packages, and this 10-inch sub doesn't disappoint. With dual voice coils and compatibility with sealed or vented enclosures, it's a versatile performer. The sub handles substantial RMS wattage and offers clean, distortion-free bass that's perfect for both rap and rock. Its shallow profile means you can install it under seats or in slim boxes without sacrificing performance. Kicker's reliability and wide availability make the CompRT series a top pick for installers and DIYers alike.